Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you everyone? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English language class for the students of class 4. Dear students, look here, our today's topic is adjective discussion plus exercise, and this is our lesson number 7 and our SW number 5. Dear students, now we are going to discuss about this topic. Please follow the board everyone. Look dear students, here I have written about the discussion of adjective. Look, an adjective is a word which tells about quality, quantity, position, condition, number of a noun or pronoun. So an adjective is a word which tells us what? About quality, about quantity, position, condition, number of a noun or pronoun. Now we will learn about this topic, that means what is quality, quantity, position. Okay. For example, he is a good person. Okay, if I going to say a sentence like he is a good person, dear students, here the word good, it indicates a person's quality. Okay, so here good is an adjective. Okay, like this way, good, bad, tall, short, big, sweet, okay, etc. All of these are the examples of adjective. Okay, now we will learn about their classification. Adjectives are of 4 types. What are they? Number 1, descriptive adjective or adjective of quality. Number 2, quantitative adjective or adjective of quantity. Number 3, numeral adjective or adjective of number. Then number 4, pronominal adjective. Now we will learn about descriptive adjective or adjective of quality. Dear students, now we will learn about descriptive adjectives. Okay, the adjective of quality describes the quality, kind, size, shape and color of a person or a thing. If I going to say this example like he is a rich man. Dear students, here the word rich is an example of descriptive adjective. Number 2, quantitative adjective. Okay, quantitative adjective or adjective of quantity, we will learn about this now. Dear students, adjective of quantity indicates quantity or number of a noun. Okay, adjective of quantity indicates quantity or number of a noun. For example, I want some rice. For example, I want some rice. So dear students, here this indicates quantity or number. Okay. So here the word some is an example of quantitative adjective. Okay, or adjective of quantity. Okay, now number 3, numeral adjective. Dear students, about numeral adjective, a numeral adjective shows the number, order and position of a noun. Okay, a numeral adjective shows it the number, order or position of a noun. For example, she has 5 dolls. So here this word 5, it shows the number, okay, of a noun. So here the word 5 is an example of numeral adjective. Then number 4, pronominal adjective. About pronominal adjective, when a pronoun sits before a noun and does the work of an adjective, it is called pronominal adjective. When a pronoun sits before a noun and does the work of an adjective, it is called what? Pronominal adjective. For example, which pen have you bought? So dear students, here the word which is an example of pronominal adjective. Now dear students, we will do some exercises here. Okay, I have written some exercises and you have to find out that which word is an example of adjective. Okay, look, find out adjectives from the following sentences. Number 1, Ritu cleaned her dirty room. Dear students, here can you guess which word is the example of adjective? Yes, dear students, here dirty is an adjective, is an example of adjective. Okay, dear students, because by this word we can understand his quality. Okay, her quality. We can understand the room's quality. Okay, Ritu cleaned her dirty room. Okay, so here dirty describes its quality. Okay, room's quality. Then the word dirty is an example of adjective. Now number 2, she bought a diamond necklace. What type of necklace? Diamond necklace. So here the word diamond is an example of adjective. Okay, number 3, they have much money. Okay, they have much money. By the word much we can understand that how many money they have. Okay, so they have much money. So here much, the word much is an example of an adjective. Then number 4, the painting was beautiful. So this word beautiful we can understand its what? Its condition. So beautiful is an example of an adjective. Now number 5, Nazrul Islam is our national poet. Dear students, here national is an example of an adjective. I saw a fine bird. Dear students, here the word fine. Okay, the word fine is an example of adjective. Then the knife is very sharp. Dear students, here the word sharp is an example of adjective. Why? Because the word sharp indicates is what? Indicates its condition. That means we can understand that the knife is very sharp, and for this reason sharp is an example of an adjective. Look, number 8, he was sure about the matter. Here the word sure is an example of an adjective. Now number 9, he fixed the broken car. Here the word broken. Okay, dear students, here the word broken is an example of an adjective. Okay, then number 10, there is a little water in the glass. Here the word little. How much water? Little. Okay, so here the word little is an example of adjective. Dear students, for your HW you have to do these 10 exercises. Okay, dear students, SW will be this exercise you have to do. These 10 exercise you have to do as your homework, and you have to submit this on next Saturday. So dear students, see you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz everyone.